Hi there learner, BEHNIA here. Today we are going to make a landmine. Doesn't matter what level you are, this video is for everyone. First I showed the simple and fast way. Second is the better and more optimized and fixes the problem of the first. We finish it with the expert level 1. Let's begin. Basic. In your project, in the content browser, right click, blueprint class, create an actor. Open the actor, add a static mesh or a cube if you don't have a custom mesh. In the event graph, delete the existing nodes, right click and add an event tick node. From the event tick, add a delay node, set the delay to 1. After the delay, add a sphere trace. A sphere trace for objects or sphere trace by channel. In this case, in this video, we are going to use a sphere trace by channel. This checks if the enemy is inside the radius or not. To preview the trace in editor, set the raw debug type for duration. Don't worry, this won't show up in your packed game. Set the trace channel to visibility. For a start and end location, use the get actor location node and add offset between 50 and 150 in z-axis based on your needs. Set radius to 50 or higher, depending on your needs. From the hit result, break it, get the hit actor and check is valid. To confirm it is the enemy, use actor has tag node. From the tag check, add a branch. Add a tag named enemy on your enemy blueprint. Select the top component, details, tags, copy the exact name and paste it into the has actor tag node. If true, destroy actor. Connect the hit actor to the actor pin. Add a second destroy actor. Leave actor pin empty to destroy the bomb actor. Drop the bomb actor into the level and add your enemy actor to the level. If your enemy has no movement, add a projectile movement or simple movement logic. Intermediate. Replace the delay with a set timer by event. Create a custom event, enable looping, and connect your custom event to the sphere trace. This avoids event tick overhead. Replace a sphere trace with multi-sphere trace by channel, so you can collect multiple hits at once. Remove the tag because we are going to use custom collision channel for our enemies. Go to project setting, engine, collision, add a new object channel, name it enemy and set the default response to ignore. Select your character's capsule, go to collision setting, set it to custom, and set the newly created object to block. In our case, the enemy channel. In your bomb BP, set the trace channel of multi-sphere trace to your enemy channel. From the multi-sphere trace output, use for each loop. After the for each loop from the multi-sphere trace is add unique to add each hit actor to the array. This prevents multiple hits on the same actor. Then spawn a meter at location or your Niagara system and call destroy actor on the enemy and the bomb. Use another for each loop over that array and call apply damage. After damage, spawn your particle vect. For effects, store them on a soft object reference, soft asset, so you don't load heavy assets until needed, and it's more efficient. Use a sync load asset to load the effect. Then spawn a meter or Niagara when loading finishes. Clear the timer. Then destroy actor. That's it, 3 levels for simple landmine. Basic, intermediate, expert. Here's some screenshots. Tell me in comments if you want more tutorial videos or entertainment content.